ESG reporting and ACCA. How environmental, social, and governance factors are shaping financial reporting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're studying for ACCA or working in finance, you have probably heard the term ESG. But what does ESG really mean for financial reporting and why is it becoming such a big deal? Stick around as we break it all down in today's video. Now, what is ESG? Let's start with the basics. ESG stands for Environmental, Social and Governance. It refers to the three key factors that investors and regulators use to measure the sustainability and ethical impact of a company. Environmental, how a company manages climate risk, carbon emissions and resource usage. Social, how a company treats its employees, customers and communities. Third, governance, the policies and leadership practice that ensure transparency and ethical decision making. These factors aren't just buzzwords anymore, they directly influence financial performance and the investor's confidence. Now, why is ESG important for financial reporting? So, why should finance professionals, including ACC students, care about ESG reporting? Well, traditional financial reporting focuses on profits and losses, but investors and regulators now demand more. They want to know whether a company is sustainable and socially responsible. Here's why ESG reporting is making waves in financial reporting. First, regulatory compliance. Governments worldwide are introducing ESG disclosure requirements. Second, investors' demand. ESG-friendly companies attract more investment. Third, risk management. Ignoring ESG risk can lead to fines, lawsuits, or even reputational damages. Fourth, long-term value. Companies with strong ESG practices tend to perform better over time. Now, ESG standards and frameworks. So, in order to ensure consistency, companies use standardized ESG frameworks. Here are some key ones that you should definitely know. First, IFRS Sustainability Disclosure Standard. It is developed by the IFRS Foundation to integrate ESG into the financial statements. Second, Global Reporting Initiatives, which is a widely used framework for sustainability reporting. Third, Sustainability Accounting Standard Board focuses on ESG issues that impact financial performances. Fourth, TCFD Task Force on Climate Related Financial Disclosures. It helps companies disclose climate risk. For ACCA students, understanding these frameworks is essential because ESG reporting is becoming an integral part of the corporate financial statements. ESG reporting and ACCA. Now let's connect this back to ACCA. So if you are pursuing ACCA, ESG reporting is relevant in multiple papers such as Strategic Business Reporting. It covers the ESG disclosures and ethical financial reporting. Second, Advanced Audit and Assurance. It focuses on ESG related risks and even corporate governance. Third, Corporate and Business Law. It explores your legal compliance around ESG regulations. So ESG is no longer a niche topic, it's shaping the future of financial reporting and ACCA is keeping up with these global trends. The future of ESG in finance. The finance world is changing fast. Companies that embrace ESG are not just ticking boxes, but they are building long-term value. And as an ACCA student or finance professional, understanding ESG will give you a competitive edge in your career. So what do you think? Is ESG reporting the future of finance? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance and ACCA insights.